T7.7. The student newspaper at a large university asks an SRS of 250 undergraduates, do you favor eliminating the carnival from the term end celebration? All in all, 150 of the 250 are in favor. Suppose that, unknown to you, 55% of all undergraduates favor eliminating the carnival. If you took a very large number of SRSs of size n equals 250 from this population, the sampling distribution of the sample proportion p hat would be what? All right, so the main focus of this question is about the sampling distribution of p hat. All right, so here's some things that we know about this sampling distribution. Right, we're going to talk about its shape, its center, and its variability. Yeah. So here's what we know about the shape. Okay, the shape will be approximately normal if the following things are true. Okay, if the product NP is at least 10, and the product N1 minus P is at least 10. All right, we'll check that in a minute. Okay, the center. Okay, so the center is usually going to be measured by the mean. Okay, so the mean of p hat will just be p, right? The estimates will center or cluster around the true value, the true proportion. Okay. All right, the variability is measured by standard deviation. So the standard deviation for p hat is going to be the square root of p times 1 minus p over n. All right, if you're curious, these last two formulas are provided to you on the formula sheet. Okay. All right, so let's just kind of go through and check. We probably should have noted a couple things. So let's just go over here to the margin. Okay, so their sample size is 250. Okay, p hat, the sample proportion, is 150 out of 250, which is 0.6. Let's check. Yeah, 0.6. Okay, the true proportion p is 0.55. And that's it. All right. But that's all we needed to know, right? We just need to know the values of n and p. We don't really need the value of p hat here. All right, so let's do some calculations. So this will be 250 times 0.55, and this is going to be 250 times 0.45. I just did 1 minus 0.55 mentally, using mental math. All right, 250 times 0.55 is 137.5, right? And that's bigger than 10. 250 times 0.45 is 112.5, which is also bigger than 10. All right, so we know that the shape will be approximately normal. Okay, the center, well, our estimates are going to center or cluster around the true proportion, which we know is 0.55. And then the standard deviation, this is going to be the square root of 0.55 times 0.45, all divided by 250, which on the calculator, 0.55, 0.45, 250, calculator says that's about 0.031. 5. Okay. All right. So we can already eliminate A and C and E, right? Because A and C say exactly normal, and I don't know, nothing in life is ever exactly normal. E says heavily skewed, which is not true. It's going to be approximately normal. Okay. All right. We're looking for a mean of 0.55. Which is what choice B has. Okay, choice D has the wrong mean, and they both have the right standard deviation of 0.03.